Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. After 2 days of dhamal, masti, music, games, bike events and much more, it's time to say goodbye to West Coast Rider Meet Chhatta Adhyay and head back home to Pune with my fellow Kings Royal Riders. It's a nearly 300-kilometer ride and we have started from Silvassa around 12:30 pm. Now with our tanks full, we would like to maintain good speeds and reach Pune in quick time. Let's see how this journey goes. You guys enjoy the views. I'll catch you in few kilometers. I know I've said this in the first vlog, but I'll repeat myself. Riding with a group is so much fun. It's not just about seeing a line of bikes moving together. No, that's not just it. The overall experience is something that you can only experience when you're with a group, right? The discipline that you maintain, the consistent speeds, the care for each other, the overall teamwork when you are riding in a group, it's so much more than just seeing a trail of bikes moving together. What do you guys think about riding in the group? Do let me know in comments below. I have a question for all the fellow riders. Is it just me or do you guys too enjoy the attention you get when you're riding with a group or riding solo? And especially when you're riding in gear and everything, the kind of attention you get from passerbys, people standing on the road is something else, right? Some people smile at you, some people wave at you, small kids wave for sure. I love those exchanges, pleasantries exchanged by people unknown. It's just the happy vibe that I get out of riding is something that keeps me going. It makes you push for those extra kilometers even when you are a bit tired, some people waving at you. Does it just happen to me? We have reached the Gujarat Maharashtra border and we have maintained really good speeds until now. I hope the journey continues as smooth. The roads are excellent, the climate is pleasant, and here are some views for you guys to enjoy. I'll catch you in a few kilometers. As soon as we entered Maharashtra, after some time the heat started picking up and I had to take a small break to recharge my battery, sprinkle some water on my forehead to cool my body down and everything. Now I'm fit to ride again, and now that I have some open road, why don't I give this Himalayan a small speed test? Now this is not going to be a drag test or anything, this is just how a normal rider would take his Himalayan from 0 to 100 or beyond without intense throttling, without excessively quick gear shifting. No, this is no speed test for the Himalayan. There are many other videos on the internet for it. This is just how a normal rider would take his bike or scale it gradually from 0 to 100. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Once again, I'd like to say this was by no means a speed test for Himalayan. There are many other people who do these special speed test videos I've seen where they push hard on the throttle, they would do quick gear shift just to see how quickly the bike accelerates. I was not trying to check the acceleration. This is just how I ride, taking it gradually from 0 to 100 now that I had a small stretch of open road in front of me. Call it the eagerness to return home or just the sheer joy of riding with this group. We are not hungry yet and have decided to stretch for a few extra kilometers and cover as much ground as possible in this pleasant climate. Yes, the climate has turned pleasant again. These are excellent riding conditions. So while we enjoy the kilometers, you guys enjoy the scenes. I will see you as soon as we take a break. We have reached Virar and the return route is going to be exactly the same that we took while coming to Silvassa. We are going to take Virar to Thane via the Ghodbandar route. From there we will head to Navi Mumbai to Kalamboli Circle, from where we will take the old Mumbai-Pune highway and ride our way back home. A small change in plan. Instead of riding from Thane to Navi Mumbai via Airoli, we are taking the Shilfata route, which is slightly longer, but there was excessive traffic in Thane on the Airoli route. So we took this route, which was quicker. This will connect us directly to the Kalamboli Circle. It's slightly long, but it's very scenic is what I've heard. This is the first time I'm taking this route. So enjoy the views. I got saved by a whisker there. Had my bike gone into that pothole, I could have had a bent rim, I could have tumbled over and had a bad crash, anything could have happened. It was a gesture by my fellow rider that saved the day for me, where I could avoid the pothole at the very last second. And this is another benefit and perk of riding with the group. Finally, we reached Old Mumbai-Pune highway, and only thing old about this is in its name. The roads are freshly laid, there are very few potholes on these roads, and an excellent job done by the road department here. I personally love riding on this road, and it has made commuting from Mumbai to Pune much quicker, much easier for bikers. 230 किलोमीटर्स की राइडिंग के बाद अब लग रही है थोड़ी सी भूख. ढूंढ रहे हैं ऐसा ठिकाना जहां खा सके हम खाना. संग रहिएगा मेरे, अभी कहीं मत जाना. We decided to eat around 5 p.m. We found a place. We thought we'll have a quick bite, ride out, reach home by 7:30 max. But it's been a long break over here, an extended break I'd call it. We have spent nearly 2 hours at the hotel. The service was very slow. The food was okay. I will not call the food bad. It was okay, edible. Batteries recharge, yes, but a lot of time wasted. But let's get home. One good thing out of this is that we will not have to ride in the transition time. So we are now gonna ride with the fog lights on. This is going to be my first time riding in the night with the Kings. So I'm looking forward to the experience. Do enjoy the views. I'm sure it's gonna be a light show for you guys. So much traffic in Lonavala. Our formation is gone for a toss. Koi kahan hai, koi kahan hai. We will regather ahead after a few kilometers. But there's a lot of traffic in Lonavala, and this has become a norm over the weekend. I hate coming to Lonavala during weekends because of the sheer amount of traffic that I can find over here. Just after the second toll and 5 kilometers before Dehu Road, the group regathered and called it disperse. So now all of us are on a journey back home and it's time to end the vlog here. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, please do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, be a part of my journey in videos to come. And until next time, ride safe, spread smiles, explore miles, and always ride to return.